This is my first video and we'll talk about self-love. So often people ask me how I'm so happy and always enjoying my own company and how I'm so calm, how do I manage this? And I have seen people suffering for the same. And so I thought like my friends and family, there are other people too who are suffering. So why not start this initiative and help you guys out? So here's my first attempt, and I hope you guys enjoy it and actually this helps you out in your life. Uh, so yeah, there are three things you must follow in order to consistently follow in order to stay happy in your own life. And one of them would be self-love. Self-love is very important. People often confuse it with the statement as as in they often get confused with it being selfish, but self-love is not selfish, guys. If you love yourself, that doesn't mean you're selfish. If you're taking decisions for yourself, if you're thinking about yourself, that definitely is not selfish. And you must follow this. And self-love does not mean pampering yourself or spending money on yourself, but actually respecting yourself, knowing your worth, and actually not just saying it but believing it. Second one would be do things that makes you happy, like the colors in the video did. I wasn't liking it, and suddenly when I changed the color of the presentation, it made me happy, and I did it, and it actually lit my mood up. So just a little example. So spending a day cribbing about little things in life, it's better keep on trying new things, keep on enjoying new stuff, and yeah, think keep on doing things which actually makes you happy, which you actually enjoy. So that would be the one thing. And the last but not the least, spend time with yourself. I know you must be thinking I'll say spend time with your friends, spend time with your... Yes, of course, do spend time with your friends and family, but spend time with your own self, and that's the most important part of anyone's life. And as much happy you are with yourself, believe me, it's true. That is the level of happiness you'll have or people will have with you. No one is happy with a person who's not happy with himself or herself. So please spend time with yourself and try all these techniques and just let me know how this got applied and did you guys enjoyed it and actually see the change in your... Just bring these few things in your routine and let me know. Thank you. Do let So, guys, yeah, thank you for listening. And let me know in the comment section if you like this conversation and what kind of conversations you would want ahead. And have a happy life.